Miaro, miaro, enyo, miaro, miaro. Asenyi besini, asenyi, asenyi, asenyi besini, asenyi, miaro. Asenyi besini, miaro, miaro. Etume besini, miaro. Obirani besini, miaro, miaro. Miaro, enyo, miaro, miaro. Asenyi besini, miaro. Asenyi besini, miaro. Asenyi besini, miaro. Asenyi besini, miaro. Obirani besini, miaro. Miaro, miaro, enyo, miaro, miaro. Asenyi dika, inabeka, miaro.
Enuanom Ghana for anopai michiechia obi biara na so gu mi so a o share the video. Me say o second video na o be share ma me. Wa like na wa subscribe. Na wa click on the notification button. Na se me video biara na usa etumi ka ne video ni bi. Na adwenkyerɛ a me wa ye nyina ye bo e de be ma oman na tumpon no. Etumi etumpon. Anopai the topics kakra bi wa me ye ba be kyerɛkyerɛ ya adwen afa ho. A very quick one on I'll be asking certain questions to the Parliament of Ghana, the 8th Parliament of the Republic of Ghana, concerning omo criteria bi omo fa so omo dey appoint you be as a chairman of a certain committee. I'll be asking this very question. Memfa enun dikan. Parliament as an institution, and then an organ of state. No. Yenim say your parliamentary committees in parliament yaboa omoboa ma Ghana oman no etumi tumpon. Now I'm very much concerned say we can attest to the fact say our security issues in this country is very appalling, very poor, and the common Ghanaian do not feel safe as he used to feel before. Now, the Committee of Parliament, that's the Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament. I learned say Honorable Kennedy Japan, the chairman of that committee. Say Asin Central MP Kennedy Japan. Yes or no? And the chairman of Defense and Interior Committee in Parliament. Mumien bisa say criteria ben any first we selected Kennedy Japan as the chairman of that Interior and Defense Committee. Criteria ben you use here. I want to know the criteria. Say you share no the qualifications. You share no the educational background. So our knowledge in security and what is it? Criteria ben any share ya the Kennedy Japan say ono be Defense and Interior Committee chairman world Parliament. Obia sebi ye nyina Ghana ha yedim. Nkofo the allegations any name be susu ni say ye nua journalist no wuye no. Even is saying the Kennedy Japan ko bo ni din wo TV so a Ahmed Swale. Emma no wuye no. Ye the allegation bono. Say he has a hand. Eno asem krapo ye hu bibia kosi. Say he has a hand in the killing of Ahmed Swale, the journalist. Obisu the allegation born say he has a hand in the murder of the former MPP MP, JB Dankwa Edu. JB Dankwa Edu. It is alleged and it's all over in the public. Say people are perceiving say Kennedy Japan has a hand in the murder of JB Dankwa Edu, the former MPP MP. Obikra yati na to prison krapa ye video about abe podin say Honorable Kennedy Japan dem hu bi. Na ono no soma no ma sa niema ne course. obi a ne sa ho nkofo hu se ne sa ho eye moja with Meda Ahmed Swale Kennedy Japan born this direct with TV so in the video and through few months ba yakunu JB Danko edu owo ni fie no bi kom Meda no dia okokun JB Danko na yesi ono order prison no say nipa kwa abo obi a osuma no so okokun no bo JB Danko din obo Kennedy Japan din no sa asem no ka yen ken wiye into obi is perceived say he has criminal issues around him when it comes to murder and death killings no na Parliament of Ghana see be you obi ono be share your defense and interior so security aspect in parliament na me amendment recommendation yema no I be make sure o man ho ban bon be koso na e de obi a ono nkofo hu say oya corporate in all those fancy activities ne meda na maka no na yesi onu bon embeye chairman of the committee obi otumi bie na no direct jitu mu say invisible forces ono yo mo financier obi ono otumi ma ban won na gase na ban won so nim say ye nim na say the invisible forces ni baba kopo kotumu a obegu aban no na say nipa we no ad hoc criminality and violence or jitum say nipa we na yesi ono ene defense and interior committee chairman in parliament na me bisa say criteria ben ene dey select no and then the qualification is say oya well known in gangsterism ana if that is the criteria we should know the criteria and say ono no to me fund the invisible forces ana the qualification is say ono no to me fund the invisible forces ana is that the qualification you dey no ade a qualify and say ono no to me bo ameswale din o TV su eyi ni picture titu ni TV su me ku ameswale ana is that criteria Kennedy Japan the qualifier ana ade a man Kennedy Japan nya defense chairman and say obi akobo ni din say ono no osuma no so nkoku JB Danko ana eno na man Kennedy Japan di nya sa defense and interior committee chairman ana because as a country is like I see abobodam nya mejimom say na ye onyansa inti ye tukwan konkofo kurom ye parliamentarians no mugu ho no omo tukwan konkofo kurom omo hu say the broni develop no kurom broni de mra na nhihye ye adwuma. So we do blacks are we sensible at all? You will nyansa like nyansa you will be say the boo mine. I so be a the chrono attack no. Ghana ha nyina obi asusu se nipa wodi oyewi na ye di omansi ka hye ne sasa on hwe so. Eno bi ne ye no. Ghana ha ho na nim se JB Danko edu ne meda issue no obi anim se obi ho na nim se sexy don ambok na Japan din. Obiele ni video no everybody knows and people even still believe it without any evidence no omujidi se Kennedy Japan nim hubi amaswale we one nim the first prime suspect is Kennedy Japan one nim ankofo sususke ono kura no kun obo pam yeku no who doesn't know those court competent jurisdiction of jurisdiction court and bu and foye asem ne akwankwan no because na ban na eto so nti ye divert asem no delaying tactics but Ghana ha akola ketua ben na nim say ameswale ne wu no Kennedy Japan no hu bi obiele nim that's what everybody perceive and no cry sabo na me cry me perceive because ono no yi ameswale picture be two TV so for yin so ema obia kan say mo chita mo mburu de beti bia metua ancha ne ekun padi no JB Danko edu owu ye sexy don na yesi ono no wa ya ade no so ono no ye enyo enu we de yesi ono no kokun ga no ye de na ko prison wa ye video abekpo din abubo MPP fo bi din abo Kennedy Japan din se Kennedy Japan de movie don lo so ma no akosi sen invisible forces financier Kennedy Japan wa admit age atu invisible forces ko Kumasi ko ready court esaki judge Kennedy Japan ye ya man ko ya njeli omo ye fine omo Kennedy Japan krapo na tu ese ska no Obia, it's all over. No nyina is about violence. Na you say committee ebe hwe asundwe so no ban bo security no. Yes say nipa na no nyina bon violence and criminality and murder no. Ono bon yes ono bon behwe so. Na me bisa se Ghana sebi ye wo nyansa like nimdie ni nyansa no ye wo bi. Nti kosi broni ka che o se ebibifo nyina ye jimi Ghana ka ho ye jimi penifo nyina ye jimifo a na wo sisa broni no nka no kore ano o didi watam ye ni ase nkofo ya bobodam like we don't reason on maya. We don't even have a plan for the next 2 years and the next 2 days on maya no the next 2 days ye plan ye the next 2 days Ghana ye need plan for the next 2 days on betro paper so even National Development Authority ye will be din ye dia to so but man na say ni plan mo me say enko you man plan to abonti say as the next 2 days there be no man planning we don't know ye ni bi ye be our paper so to implement it on the grounds any problem ye mo me reason as people me dream once into Ghana ye like nyansa won ye won nyansa especially your leaders do they even have do they reason into bitinu obi krom president bitinu krom catch am say yeah African leaders no nim here na yeah African president and leaders no enema African developer amosin to or did matem no kure me ma mu nyina nyansa biela nim na me blame yen so yen timemfo no because you the political partisan politics akatakata yeni ye the politics akatakata yeni ntini ya chere politician say ye weak point ni yes nti politician be ye obedi nkwasi asema na or the politics abetale ho obenya nkofa support no nti ahumi ndwen ti so mind like let's reason as a people aya abofofo no omo dream omo the reason we want to say we don't reason as normal human being. Yes. We say ye ndwin say nipa. Ye ne ye nyina baka say yo on my in the future. Ye plan it ahead. Ye plan it ahead. Mr. Kennedy Japan criteria ben ye the far no as the Interior and Defense Committee chairman in Parliament. Mo mo ntirem. No be an ho nyina bon allegation with criminality and murder no. Na yesi say nipa no bo no bo hwe defense and interior so mo warning any threat or they threat Erasmus Donko you go the same thing or the year Ameswali is he saying Ameswali are rotting in the grave now their target is on Erasmus Donko it is saying nipa we na mo so no Interior and Defense Committee chairman in Parliament no in sem papa ben wey alternate na TV to shisha go fa back kasa bata wey nyansa ben papa ben or the be ma man no say fan boy secret to ban obi onu bo invisible forces onu no your leader group of terrorist group vigilante for no invisible forces onu your financier no yes say ni pa no mo no man nyina security and defense committee in Parliament I will make recommendations to those ministries in charge no yes say nipa onu bon onu nyina bon criminality yes onu bon onu be chairman na me bisa say boy o man na ebu ana say timemfo na mo ne ye problem na obi journalist akoye na adwuma as what the effects of the job tells him to do when you say obetwa antro the na ekoso no twa na video ye friend to the public ye friend sent to the committee no or mo hwe ajura ishidum no the account he gave were direct account on what was seen in the video ke Japan kokwa pai say identity guy no so obeka no kure me ntumi hu asem na opasa kire san kan o say guy no betwa ntro en defend o I don't understand this person. Nese mo kan yina kire say he is naive about the whole issue. Obi o chairman of Interior and Defense Committee in Parliament o ejura nsem no ke Japan nim ho hwe. But he comes out to sit on his TV station, brags and threats people. He brags and threatens people. Erasmus Donko, my advice to you is, Ubesho Huye. Because Kennedy Japan, this is not the first time we try to be a Nipokonewu. First one, Winame Swale, he died out of the threatening. Kennedy Japan, the man with TV. So the same applies to you. What threatening? Show who ye. Ntini esi Kennedy Japan we. We yes, you on Bombe Defense and Interior Committee. Nti Ghana for me bisa say Ghana, are we serious as a country? You need like me want say your politicians and then the political leaders no they don't think about the country. I'm dream your home. Because say politician be ba and election no 2020 election you born to kunu. Say MPP ban ye bonu to kunu and then aban on this week in Japan say ne baby ne bonu to kunu oba ga catch oba trete obi tade to obi kan okre and a jura shoot ni kunu say Kennedy Japan ne ba and an sister bi ba and an family member bi ba ne bonu to kunu na and Kennedy Japan ba bet na TV so atrete Erasmus don kwa na mumi mbisa because who hiano who Ghana no who hiano though say yes say am go for na bubo mutu nkra information just say the MPP people no Omo people for dying because they are not his favorites, they are not his party, they are not his family members. He doesn't think about you. So the earlier we rekindle our mind, the earlier we think and act in a certain way, Ghana will become a country of fake hope. Me see criteria being any of the fact in Japan as the Defense and Interior Committee. I need this question from the leaders of parliament. As some way say, I'll always keep asking this question because it seems Ghana is becoming like ranking Ghana as the most useless country on earth. I think Ghana will be the number one. A country which has no focus, a country which does not think about its citizenry, a country who does not think about Obia, the people who has given the sovereignty on in which the sovereignty of the state lies. Ya pane the power ni biama leaders no. That's that's what Ghana is. A country where the political leaders thinks they can grab everywhere and they are still continuing grabbing everywhere. A country whereby parliamentarians don't argue when it comes to their increments in allowances. Yes. A parliamentarian is taking almost about 20,000 plus every month, including other allowances. Whereby a public and severe public servant finds it difficult to even get his own accumulated allowance, be it in a promotion allowance or whatever. He is due for it to Yentuya. Ukoshe 2021. Structure review of salary structure na koshe MP parliamentarians no. Na ba fa be share public servant. Public servant say aban say on this car. Into no was 4%. 4% crap on only taxes na dey or dey atototototo nkapo. Wa di 4% ni na ewe na asaso agi wan kasa usika ni bi account. Momi koshe president from the president down to the last person in parliament. How much they take? But what dream be boom. So the earlier we rethink and act in a certain way, the better for us all. Thank you very much.